In this video, I'm going to show you how to stop Adobe Premiere Pro from connecting to the internet. This is really helpful if you want to block automatic updates or you just want to edit offline without any interruptions. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe and leave a like. Alright, let's get started. First, go down to the bottom left corner of your screen and click on the search icon. Type in firewall, and from the list that appears, click on Windows Defender Firewall with Advanced Security. Once that window opens, look over on the left-hand side and click on Outbound Rules. This is where we'll set up the block. Now move over to the right-hand panel and click on New Rule. A setup window will pop up. For the type of rule, choose Program and then click Next. After that, click on the Browse button and navigate to the Premiere Pro folder. You'll find it by going to Local Disk C, then opening the Program Files folder, followed by Adobe, and finally the folder for Adobe Premiere Pro. Inside that folder, look for the file called Adobe Premiere Pro.x or something similar. Select it and click Open. Once you've selected the right file, click Next. Now it's time to block the connection. Select the option that says Block the Connection and hit Next again. On the next screen, make sure all three boxes, Domain, Private, and Public, are checked. This makes sure the rule works no matter what kind of network you're connected to. Click Next one more time. Finally, give your rule a name. Something like Adobe Premiere Pro will help you remember what it's for. Then click Finish, and that's it. Adobe Premiere Pro will now be blocked from accessing the internet. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more easy tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.